This is the Lubluelu Wet and Dry Vacuum Floor Washer. Now, it's very important that you realise that this is not a standard wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So if you brought it to do your car or your carpets in your house, you're going to be very disappointed. But if you bought it to clean your hard floors in your home, wow, this thing is going to make you throw away your mop within seconds. Now, Lubluelu may not be a brand that you've heard of, but I've got one of their vacuum cleaners that I've had for a few months now. We use it every single day and it's never missed a beat. So if that's anything to go on, this thing should be amazing. It's cordless and it's self-cleaning, and I'll get onto that in a bit. And the price tag is nothing like you would expect to pay for it. Before you start cleaning, you have to fill up the clean water tank at the back. And if anything, this is my only niggle with this vacuum cleaner. The tank is quite long, so I had to kind of force it under my kitchen tap, which admittedly is quite long too, but I could no way fit it in the bathroom sink. So that's one thing to consider, but that's the only niggle I've got. So I've made a mess on the floor with some Cocoa Pops mixed with water. Now I thought that the Cocoa Pops would give it something to pick up, and then the water would obviously turn chocolatey so you can see it. Not very well planned, but it worked. And to clean it up, I just used the standard vacuum setting. And the vacuum cleaner's voice told me that I'd got it on that setting because it talks to you about everything. It cleaned up the mess, no problems at all. I was so impressed. And then I went over with the wash setting, and that basically feeds the clean water onto the roller, and that in turn cleans the floor, and it sucks all the dirty water up into the dirty water tank. Now I did wonder, is this going to be like when you mop a room? Do you have to like put a warning out to everyone in the house not to come through the room for like half an hour while it dries off? But immediately after I'd finished using it, I tried it with some tissue on the floor. It was absolutely bone dry. This is the thing that really impressed me the most. And then once I'd done cleaning, I could take it to its docking station, put it down.
Start charging.
The voice told me that it's on charge.
Please start self-cleaning for optimizing cleaning performance.
And then to start my self-cleaning. This process took about 2 minutes. It ran through a roller cleaning, it ran through cleaning the pipes, and then it told you to take the tank off, go and empty it and give it a rinse. And that is it, it's done. You just leave it on charge so it's ready to use the next time you need it. Now, if you want to find out more about this item, I'll put a link in the description and in the comments. Also, you can use a discount code that's in the description too. If you want to find out more about the standard vacuum cleaner that I was talking about earlier, the review for that is on this next video here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more review videos and also loads of help videos for your existing vacuum cleaner.